Our agreement is over.
I know.
Then let me go.
Ethan. Stop this game. Our engagement can continue now.
There will be no engagement!
Sir, can you help me?
What do you need?
Do you have any change? I have not eaten for 2 days.
Here, buy yourself some food.
Sir, this is $100.
Keep it.
But I only asked for 10.
Then save the rest.
How much is this bread?
$5.
I will take one, please.
Is this your only money?
No, a kind man gave it to me.
Here is your change. $95.
Thank you. Sir, please wait.
Do you need more money?
No, this belongs to you.
Why are you returning it?
The bread was only $5.
You could have kept everything.
It is your money, not mine.
You said you needed $10.
$5 was enough.
What is your name?
Lily. Ethan! Why did you leave our meeting?
Because I never agreed to marry you. Miss Sophia, are you and Mr. Ethan getting engaged?
Our family's already made the decision.
We will make the official announcement today.
No, we will not.
Stop acting like a child.
I said no. Mr. Ethan, do you have another girlfriend?
What are you doing?
Yes, this is my girlfriend.
Your girlfriend?
Please help me. Just follow my lead.
Honey, why did you leave me waiting outside?
I am sorry. The meeting took longer than I expected.
You promised to buy me breakfast.
I did. Let us go now. Mr. Ethan, who is this woman? Her name is Lily. She is my girlfriend.
That is impossible. She was begging on the street. I was asking for help. That does not make me less human.
Look at your clothes. A woman like you cannot be Ethan's girlfriend. He did not seem to have a problem holding my hand.
I care about Lily, not her clothes.
You are using this beggar to embarrass me.
You embarrassed yourself. When you announced a wedding I never accepted. Mr. Ethan, is your relationship with Lily serious? Very serious.
Come on, honey. I am hungry.
Of course.
This is not over, Lily. I think we lost them.
Thanks to you.
Thanks to me? You pulled me into your arms.
And you played the part very well.
I did not have much time to think.
Why did you help me?
You bought me breakfast. I helped you escape. Now we are even.
You returned $95 to me.
Because it was not mine.
Most people would keep it.
Then you meet the wrong people.
Ethan, I just saw the news.
Grandma, it is not what you think.
You finally have a girlfriend.
It is complicated.
Bring her to my birthday dinner tonight.
Grandma, wait.
Why are you looking at me?
I need one more favor.
No.
You do not know what it is yet.
You want me to keep pretending.
Only until the end of tonight.
Find another girl.
My grandmother already saw your face.
That is your problem.
I'm willing to pay $10,000 for it.
$10,000?
Come to one birthday dinner as my girlfriend.
Why not marry Sophia?
Because I do not love her.
And you love me?
I met you 20 minutes ago.
Exactly.
It is only a job.
When will you pay me?
Half now. Half after dinner.
I have 3 rules.
I am listening.
No kissing, no touching without warning, and no more pulling me into your arms.
What if the reporters return?
Warn me first.
Agreed.
After tonight, we go our separate ways.
Agreed. So, do we have a deal?
Only for one night.
We're heading to Belrose Fashion House first,
Why are we going to a fashion store?
because my girlfriend cannot meet my family in an old coat.
This coat is all I have.
Not anymore.
Remember, this is only a job.
Of course. Go inside. I will join you in a minute.
Are you sure they will let me in?
Why would they not?
Look at me.
I am looking at you.
And?
You need a dress.
That was not very kind.
It was honest.
Finish your call. I will wait inside. Excuse me, you cannot stay here. I am waiting for someone. You should wait outside. Why?
These dresses are very expensive. I only want to look. Looking is for customers.
I cannot believe this. Sophia? Did you follow me here? No, I came with Ethan. Ethan would never bring you to this store. Do you know this woman, Miss Sophia? I saw her begging outside the hotel. Please leave before I call security. I have not done anything.
Pick it up and buy yourself some food.
I do not want your money. You asked Ethan for money this morning. I returned what I did not use. A beggar talking about honesty. How funny. Money can buy your dress, Sophia. It cannot buy good manners. How dare you speak to me like that? Pick them up and apologize. No.
Then get out of this store.
Lily is not going anywhere.
Ethan! I was only trying to help her.
By throwing money at her?
She does not belong here.
She came here with me. Keep your money.
Why did you bring her here?
My girlfriend needs a dress for Grandma's birthday.
You are taking her to your family dinner?
Yes,
Your mother will never accept her.
that is not your decision.
Enjoy your little game, Lily. It will end tonight. Mr. Ethan, I did not know she was with you.
Would you treat her better if you knew she was rich?
I am very sorry, sir.
Do not apologize to me.
I am sorry, Miss Lily. Next time, ask before judging someone. Yes, miss. Miss Lily, I chose 3 dresses for you. They all look very expensive.
Do not look at the prices. Choose the one you like.
This gold dress is our most expensive design. It is beautiful, but it is too bright.
You would shine across the whole room. I would look like a chandelier. This red dress is bold and fashionable. It looks like Sophia's dress.
Then definitely not that one.
This blue dress is simpler, but very elegant. I like this one. It will match your eyes beautifully.
Try it on.
What if it does not fit? I can adjust it for you. And what if I still look poor?
A dress cannot decide your value.
You should tell your saleswoman that. You are right, Miss Lily. I am sorry. The fitting room is ready. Thank you, Claire. Well? Ethan? Is something wrong?
No,
Then why are you so quiet?
because I forgot what I wanted to say.
Is the dress too much?
The dress is beautiful, but you are more beautiful.
You do not have to flatter me.
I am not flattering you.
Mr. Ethan is right. You look like a young lady from a rich family. But I am still the same homeless girl.
No dress can change who you are.
Then what did the dress change?
It helped me see what I missed before.
And what did you miss?
We are going to be late for dinner.
Is that your family's house?
Yes.
It looks like a palace.
Do not worry. My grandmother is kind.
What about your mother?
Do not answer that question.
That bad?
Just stay close to me.
Maybe this was a bad idea.
It is too late to run.
I am very good at running.
Remember, you are my girlfriend tonight.
Only tonight.
You keep reminding me.
Ethan, you finally came.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Forget about me. Where is your girlfriend?
Grandma, this is Lily.
Happy birthday, Mrs. Rose.
Come closer, dear. Let me look at you. You are even prettier than in the news.
Thank you.
Did Ethan choose that beautiful dress?
I chose it. He paid for it.
She refused every expensive dress in the store.
I did not want to look like a chandelier.
I already like her.
Mother, you met her 30 seconds ago. Sometimes 30 seconds is enough.
I am sorry. I could not bring you an expensive gift.
You did not need to bring anything.
This is all I have. But I would like you to have it. Blue means trust and peace.
Then it is the perfect birthday gift.
It is only a cheap hair decoration. Ethan, may I speak to you? There is no need. I can tell everyone who Lily really is.
Why are you here?
Your mother invited me. This morning, she was begging outside a hotel.
Is that true? Yes. She is not Ethan's girlfriend. He paid her to pretend.
It is true. I asked Lily to be my fake girlfriend.
Ethan? Then this girl came here for money. I can give you $50,000 to walk away from my son. Here is Ethan's money.
Lily, you need it.
Not at this price. You have no home. Stop pretending to have pride. I am poor, Sophia, but I am not for sale. I am sorry. The relationship was fake, but my respect for you was real.
I know, dear.
Our agreement is over.
I know.
Then let me go.
No.
Ethan, stop this game. Our engagement can continue now.
There will be no engagement!
Our marriage is worth $1 billion business deal.
That is why you want me.
And what does Lily want?
Lily asked me for $10. I gave her 100 and she returned 95. She wanted bread. You want my company.
If you reject me, my family will cancel the hotel project.
Then the project is cancelled.
It is clear who truly loves money. You would lose millions for her?
Yes. There will be no wedding and no deal.
You are making a terrible mistake.
No, Sophia. The mistake was believing money could buy Ethan.
I have to find her.
Our agreement is over, Ethan.
I know.
Then let me go.
I cannot.
Why did you follow me?
Because you left before I could tell you the truth.
What truth?
The relationship was fake. My feelings are not.
We only met this morning.
This morning, you returned my money. Then you saved me from Sophia.
Anyone could have done that.
But only you did.
I have no home, no family, and no money.
I know.
Your mother will never accept me.
That is her problem, not yours. I canceled the wedding and the business deal.
You gave up millions?
I will earn the money again. I may never find another Lily. Will you be my real girlfriend?
How much will you pay me?
Nothing. No money, no contract, and no pretending.
Then what will you give me?
My heart.
Then my answer is yes.
My real girlfriend.
Our first date had better include dinner.
Grandma still has a birthday cake.